In this video, I'm going to show you how to stabilize shaky footage in DaVinci Resolve step by step. Let's get started. First, open DaVinci Resolve and import the video clip that is shaky. Make sure your clip is fully loaded in the media pool. Now here's where most people make mistakes. Sometimes the stabilization doesn't work properly because people try to do it on the wrong page. For best results, go to the color page or edit page. Both work, but the color page gives you more control. Next, select the clip you want to stabilize. You'll see the inspector on the right side. If it's not visible, click Inspector to open it. Now here's something many people don't know. In the inspector, scroll down to the stabilization section. Turn it on. You'll see multiple modes: perspective, similarity, and translation. Choose perspective for the most advanced stabilization. Another important tip is to adjust the settings carefully. Use zoom to automatically crop edges, adjust cropping ratio to control how much of the frame is cropped, and smoothing to make the motion natural. Don't set it too high or the video may look warped. If your footage still jitters, try tracking smaller sections. Break long clips into smaller segments and stabilize each one individually. This often fixes tricky movements or rolling shutter effects. Once everything is set, click Stabilize and wait for DaVinci Resolve to process the clip. After that, play it back to see the difference. Your shaky footage should now be smooth and professional looking. And that's it. You've just stabilized your shaky footage in DaVinci Resolve. I hope this helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tips.